it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you enjoy all things Disney, mom stuff, travel stuff, and lots of unboxing stuff, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So today I have a huge, I guess, candle unboxing review for you guys. Don't know if you're new to the channel. I'm in New York City and our malls just recently opened, literally, gosh, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago. Some of the stores actually didn't end up opening until much later, after the malls were officially okay to open. And Bath and Body, right? Bath and Body Works and White Barn were one of those that did not open until I think September 25th. I want to say yes. So I went there on the first day and there was a line around the block, but I waited and I got my candles and I got some new scents. I got some of my favorite ones and I was just so excited because I love candles so much, and not being able to go into the store and actually smell them, feel them, touch them, it was hard. So I finally got to do it and I'm so happy. So I'm gonna share some of my favorite ones that I picked up with you guys. Well, I'm gonna share all of them, but I think they're all my favorite ones. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, this is the box. It is huge. A lot of candles, but I got the big ones, the 3 big candles, so it's really heavy. All right, what I did like was that they put them in a tray like this, so it was nice. Okay, so let's see. One of the first candles I got is a Cranberry Woods, which I know the smell, the scent. I've gotten it before and it's definitely fall-ish, but it can also be for like early winter. And this is what it looks like. And I really like it. Alright, so this next candle is a new scent for me. This is Honey Crisp Apple, which looks like this. And I will always like favor any like apple related scents for fall versus like pumpkin or cinnamon or marshmallow, because I find those scents to be a little bit too strong and too sweet for me. But this just, like, if you close your eyes and you picture like a honey crisp apple, this is exactly what it smells like. So good. Love this one. I was in that store for probably like an hour. They're like, this girl is nuts. But I didn't care. It was like being in a Disney store, you know, like when I went to the Disney store for the first time, like this was no different. Okay, so the next one is Fresh Fall Morning, which looks like this. There we go. So this, it smells, it almost has like a masculine smell. Like this could be like a men's cologne, but I like it. I like it. It smells like a woodsy, fresh, crisp morning, but it has like a little bit of that, like I said, like a men's cologne. It's good. I like it. All right, this one I love, and I've been getting it for quite a few years. It's Flannel. There we go. All right, and also the great part about like going and getting these candles is that you can get them like in so many different I guess pictures, containers, like colors and stuff like that. So I picked this one in like green to kind of fit into the fall season. And this one I like it a lot. It's like a couple of years ago I was on such a flannel high, you could say, that I think I burned this candle like throughout the entire fall and winter season. It's just, I don't even know how to describe it, but this is my favorite scent. Well, one of my favorite scents, but I always come back to this one because it just smells so good. Okay, let me get the next. All right, here we go. Tray numero dos. I had a brain freeze. All right, so let me see. So next one I have is Lakeside Morning, which is a new scent for me, but I heard a lot of people say that it's a really good scent, so I figured I'll give it a try. And it does, like, oh my gosh, it smells like airy, clean, crisp. I don't know, like a fresh, clean hotel that you just walked into. I don't know, so good. Very nice scent. Love it. Okay, next one. Okay, this is another one that I love so much, and I'll tell you why. So this is black tiki wood, and I think they have another version of it where I think it just says tiki wood. I think. All right, I think. So this is what it looks like, and I got it in this like gray color, which is super cute. The reason I love this one, and you guys are gonna laugh, many moons ago, I worked for Abercrombie. You guys are gonna laugh. The fact that I worked for Abercrombie. But anyways, I didn't work there for a long time. It was like right out of high school. Like I needed like a side job, a part-time job. So it was great. Loved the loud music. I loved the men cologne. I think it was called Fierce. I think. I'm not sure. I have to look it up. But anyways, that they would spray everywhere. And I know that I think later on, I mean many years later, they got in trouble for spraying that stuff. But I think it's like their signature scent. Anyways, this black tiki wood candle smells exactly like Abercrombie. I swear, when I first found this candle, which has to be at least like 3-4 years ago now, and I was just like, oh my gosh, this smells exactly like Abercrombie. And like, I know, like, again, there are very mixed feelings about people going to Abercrombie and them, you know, smelling that scent and them spraying all of their merchandise with them. But for me, that was like a staple of like going to Abercrombie, purchasing items from there, and eventually working there for like a hot second. But anyways, so I absolutely, I love this scent so much. I'm definitely gonna be back, and I'm gonna be buying quite a few more because I need this one to last me throughout the season. And what was the other one? The Flannel. These two are like my staples for the winter and fall time. That was a funny little story I told you guys. Yep, I worked for Abercrombie. All right, Sweater Weather. This is a new one, and it was getting like a lot of great reviews. Here we go. And everybody was just like going bonkers over it. So when I went to the store, actually our store was fully stocked, I think, because they were closed, and I think, you know, probably they got new merchandise, well, new candles, merchandise, soaps and body washes and all that stuff. So I think they were fully stocked because there was a ton of all of these new candles. But it's like Sweater Weather. I feel like it smells like, I don't know why, but maybe I smelled it somewhere before, like cashmere or something, but also very light. It has something folly in it, like, I don't know, maybe like sage or something. This smells so good. Love this one. Okay, now I have two small ones. So I get these all the time, and these were actually, I think, just like $6 because they are more like of a summery scent, I guess. But I love this one. It's Endless Weekend. This one just smells amazing. So it's a candle that I've gotten quite a few times. And so it says Summer Mandarin, Sun-Kissed Mongolia, and Coconut Water, which I'm not too crazy about coconut water, but it's not like obnoxious coconut water scent. It's fruity, it's summery, it's beachy. Smells so good. Love this one a lot. And yeah, like I said, so this is the single wick candle, and they were $6 because typically it's $14.50, and when they do run a sale, it'll typically be, I think, like 2 for $18, I want to say. But this was $6. And the other one, Aiden actually went with me, so he really loved the way this smells. So it says Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. So it looks like this, and it smells so good. And this one is Aloha, so it says Tropical Passion Fruit, Radiant Kiwi, and Juicy Pineapple. Smells good. And this is also a single wick candle. So yes, I got a lot of candles. I'm so happy because I just love candles in general, and especially when it's getting a little bit colder, I like to feel like cozy and smell this beautiful candle. And the only one that I don't have here, but it was a double because I bought, let me tell you which one. Or maybe I only had one. I have, you know which one I have burning? I have Leaves, and it smells so good. I couldn't wait. I wanted to try that one, and I have it burning in my kitchen, and it smells amazing. So yeah, this was this was a lot of candles, but you know, they were $24.50 each, and they gave $10 off, so putting each candle at $14.50. Yeah, subtotal was $100. But anyways, this is gonna last me a long time, but like I said, I do need to pick up a few more. I need the flannel, and I need my Abercrombie fix, which is the black tiki wood candle. So thank you so much for watching. If you like these candles, let me know which scent is your favorite down in the comments below. I would love to hear all about it. And I don't know if these candles like remind you of a certain scent from your past, present, because like I said, the black tiki wood reminds me of Abercrombie, which is like so bizarre, but I don't know, it just smells just like the store. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel and the algorithm of YouTube and all of that YouTube stuff. So I'll see you real soon. Take care.